Replenishment is the process of taking inventory from unpickable locations, typically up in pallet racking or on a top unreachable shelf, and bringing it into a pickable location, typically like the shelves behind us, bins where pickers can go and grab the item. So why do we need to do replenishment?
Well, in a warehouse, we have a tremendous amount of rack space that's high off the ground, but very limited amount of space that our pickers can actually reach and have an efficient path of picking. So that's why we make sure that we only replenish items as they're needed.
Right. And in ShipHero, the way that works is there's an inventory control person who has a mobile app that when they open it, it just tells them, hey, you got to move X number of items from whatever location and put it in pickable. How does ShipHero know how many units to put in the pickable location?
Right. So above just knowing how many units are needed to ship current orders, on a per product level, you can set a min and a max so that you never are just going and getting 3 units. You're getting full cases or full pallets, enough to fill that pickable location with one transfer.
Yeah, and by doing that, instead of just saying whatever we need on demand, what we're able to do is reduce the number of trips that the inventory control person has to make, which is basically all their labor. So it's a pretty good cost savings. By just setting that min-max in the ShipHero dashboard, you'll reduce your inventory control labor significantly.
Subscribe.